Making music videos has never been easier. One song, one character, and 3 minutes of actual work. No complex editor, no timeline, no prompt engineering. Let me walk you through the whole thing, step by step. Normally, making a music video takes 4 or 5 different tools. You write the song in one, build your character in another, animate everything somewhere else. Then you spend a night in an editor trying to stitch it all together. Tunee does all of that in one place. You talk to it, and it builds. Enough talk. So let's make one. First up, we need a song. Today we're focusing on Tunee's music video agent, but it also has a terrific music generator which is actually very competent. So if you don't already have a track, you can generate one right inside the platform and go straight into making the video. For this project, I have this track I made in Suno. It's a dark cinematic pop song full of soul and emotion. And hey, if you've already got a Suno library sitting there doing nothing, this video is exactly what you're looking for. So here in Tunee AI, under Agent, I'm selecting Music Video, and then I'm going for Story Music Video. Let's remove the preloaded track and upload our song here. Okay, now the first thing I'm building is the character. In the character page, I'm going to create a new one. Here, I'm going to upload a character image that I have and kind of remix himself into a cowboy character. Here's my prompt. Image model is GPT Image 2. Generate. Yeah, this looks terrific. Now here's the important part. The character sheet. It's marked as optional, but do not skip it. This is a key step for maintaining character consistency throughout your video, so this is super important. Look at that. Same guy, 3 full body views. Incredible. Let's move forward with him. And here's where I really want you to pay attention because this is the step people get wrong. Check your models. For image, I'm going with the obvious choice of GPT Image 2 model. But for videos, I'm switching that to Seedance 2 for best cinematic quality results. It costs more, yes, but it's also the difference between something you'd actually post or throw away. I'm gonna type in my idea, just have him walking in a valley, not looking for any fast-paced stuff here. No special codes here. Just tell Tunee what you want in plain English. There are 2 things in that prompt that are very deliberate. 1 character, no horse. Every extra person or animal you introduce is another thing that can change between shots. So keeping it to 1 figure is probably the single easiest way to get cleaner, more consistent output. Then there's wide and medium shots, slow camera. Fast movement and tight close-ups are where AI video still tends to fall apart. Then I tag my character using the @ symbol and hit enter. Here, I'm selecting the portion of the song that I want to make the music video from. And now watch this part, because this is where Tunee actually separates itself from everything else. Before it generates a single frame, it listens to the song, BPM, key, song structure, vocals, instruments, mood. It came back at 75 BPM. Slow, steady, reflective. Most tools take your song and just paste pictures on top of it. This one reads the song first and then decides what the pictures should be. Everything that comes next is built off that one panel. And here's the plan it wrote. It's named it The Long Walk, and it worked out the structure on its own. The chorus opens wide, his silhouette against the sunrise, shadow thrown long across the dirt. That's a real directional choice, and it's tied directly to my song. Now, before it spends a single credit, it stops and asks for my input with 3 options. The idea of dusk tonight is tempting, so I'm gonna go with that. One last check before I confirm. Look at this line right here. Dimensions, 480p. Change that. 480p is the lowest setting on the platform, and it'll make everything look soft and cheap no matter how good your model is. Push it to 1080p. Okay, here's the script. 5 shots, 49 seconds. And look at the lengths. They're not even because they're cut to the song. That's the beat sync. And again, it's happening at the planning stage, not in the edit. It read the mood I picked and built a story around it. Now it asks how I want to generate. Straight to video. Takes 2082 credits, or preview frames first. 36 credits for the frames, then 2082 for the video. Look at that number, 36. That's less than 2% extra. And for that, you get to look at a still image of every single shot before you spend 2,000 credits animating them. If something's wrong, you catch it there. Cheap. So yes, always take the frames. Frames are back. All the frames have our guy holding a lantern, which I never even asked for. It read the mood I picked and built an object with an arc around it. Those frames look genuinely consistent. Same face, same hat, same road, and the light reads as one continuous evening. This is that character sheet at work. Very impressive. If a face looked wrong, or the hat changed, or the road didn't match, you can fix it right here. But these look just right. So, let's turn them into videos. Videos are back. Let's check them out. These are all excellent generations, although they are pretty much showing the same thing happening. But standalone clips, they are smooth in motion and consistent in the mood, so I'm happy with them. But if you didn't like anything from any clip, you can edit the prompt and regenerate. Or even reference that clip here and describe your idea in the chat. And what's more, there's a full video editor in here too. Real timeline. You can trim, split, reorder, separate tracks for audio and subtitles. Let's go back to the project chat, hit Generate Final Video. Here we are. Let's play this one.
Come back, my empty chair. Come back, I still care. Come back, don't leave me here. Come back, I still hear you near.
That looks great. It's not just that it looks cinematic. Plenty of tools can make one nice-looking shot. But hey, all the visuals are very well aligned to the beat of our song, so it connects well in the emotion. This is how you do justice for your song with visuals. Is it perfect? No. There are some absurd cuts here and there, but all I gave this was one idea. That's all. And yes, it's the same guy for 49 seconds. And they're not done. Tunee's already working on bringing Seedance 2.5 in. So whatever this looks like now, it's about to get better. Now look, if you're a producer who needs frame-level control over every single element detail, this might not be for you. This agent is built for speed and strong results, not surgical precision. Tunee never claims otherwise. But if you've got songs sitting around with no way to make videos for them, this is the shortest path I've found. Keep it simple. One character, slow shots. Let the light do the work, and it holds up really well. And hey, it's free to start. That's right. Use the link in my description to access Tunee, and you will get credits when you sign up, enough to create 10 songs or a short video to test it with. Then, 100 free credits. Every single day you log in. Forever. No credit card. So, yeah. Links in the description. Go make something. See you in the next one.